Imagine you go to a candy shop. The shop owner remembers your name. He knows your favorite candy and even gives you a free lollipop on your birthday. Feels special, right? That, my friend, is Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. What is CRM? Definition: Customer Relationship Management is the way businesses manage and improve their relationships with customers. In simple words, CRM means treating your customers like VIPs, very important people. Famous quote: "Get closer than ever to your customers. So close that you tell them what they need well before they realize it themselves." Steve Jobs. CRM is like being a great friend to your customers. Why is CRM important? Let's say you run a pizza shop. If you remember your customers' names, what toppings they love, and their birthdays, they'll feel happy and come back again and again. More happy customers equals more business equals more success. That's why smart businesses use CRM to build strong connections. It's not just about selling, it's about care and work. CRM is more than just smiles and good memory. It's also technology. Here's how businesses use CRM tools. Store info: name, email, birthday, favorite orders. Track history: what did the customer buy last time? Send messages: "Hey, your favorite burger is 20% off today." Solve problems fast: quick replies to complaints or questions. It's like having a notebook for every customer, but smarter and on a computer. Popular CRM tools include Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, and even simple Excel sheets. Example: let's say you and your friends run a lemonade stand. One friend always buys with no ice. Another wants extra lemon. If you write that down and remember it next time, you'll keep your customers happy. They'll say, "Wow, they care about me." That's CRM in action, even at a lemonade stand. In school, in shops, or even online, building strong relationships is key. CRM helps businesses keep their customers happy, loyal, and coming back for more. Remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Theodore Roosevelt. If you want to run a successful business one day, learning CRM is one of the smartest things you can do. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment your favorite brand that treats customers well. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow together.